conducted on which non-combatant female member Thamjam Manvi Devi was arrested. Bodily injuries to a person while in police custody if there is evidence that...
I would like to humbly submit to this court that the petitioner contends. How do we test reasonable caution? So here, this case used the golden triangle.
यूनिवर्सिटी लॉ कॉलेज गुवाहाटी विश्वविद्यालय 6 अप्रैल को आयोजित डॉक्टर BR अम्बेडकर राष्ट्रीय मूट कोर्ट प्रतियोगिता 2024 की उद्घाटन संस्करण में विजय रहा। क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी बेंगलुरु ने उप विजेता की स्थान हासिल किया। मेघालय राज्य कानून सेवा प्राधिकरण के सहयोग से यूनिवर्सिटी स्कूल ऑफ लॉ एंड रिसर्च, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी मेघालय USTM द्वारा आयोजित इस कार्यक्रम में पूरे भारत और क्षेत्र से 16 प्रतिष्ठित संस्थानों की भागीदारी देखी गई। प्रतियोगिता का अंतिम दौर की अध्यक्षता वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता हसीबुर रहमान के साथ गुवाहाटी उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायमूर्ति संजय कुमार मेहदी और न्यायमूर्ति प्रसन्न कुमार देका सहित सम्मानित न्यायाधीशों ने की। USTM के कुलपति प्रोफेसर GD शर्मा और अन्य गणमान्य व्यक्तियों ने समापन सत्र की शोभा बढ़ाई और विजेताओं को पुरस्कार प्रदान की। यूनिवर्सिटी लॉ कॉलेज गुवाहाटी विश्वविद्यालय को ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र और प्रमाण पत्र के साथ 25,000 रुपये का नकद पुरस्कार मिला, जबकि उप विजेता क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी बेंगलुरु को सम्मान प्रशंसा के साथ 15,000 रुपये से सम्मानित किया गया। व्यक्तिगत पुरस्कार भी प्रदान किए गए, जिसमें USLR USTM की अगस्त्य कश्यप ने सर्वश्रेष्ठ वक्ता का पुरस्कार जीता। नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हिल यूनिवर्सिटी नेहरू की कोर्डेलिया लिंडो ने सर्वश्रेष्ठ शोधकर्ता का पुरस्कार प्राप्त किया और सिम्बायोसिस पुणे की टीम ने सर्वश्रेष्ठ मेमोरियल पुरस्कार जीता। न्यायमूर्ति संजय कुमार मेहदी ने प्रतियोगिता के आयोजन में उनके प्रयासों के लिए आयोजकों की सराहना की और कानूनी पेशे से जुड़े लोगों के लिए समाज की सेवा के महत्व पर जोर दिया। न्यायमूर्ति प्रसन्न कुमार देका ने राष्ट्रीय स्तर के आयोजन की मेजबानी के लिए USTM की प्रशंसा की और प्रतियोगियों के बीच बहस की उच्च मानक की सराहना की। सत्र के दौरान अधिवक्ता हसीबुर रहमान ने भी अपने विचार साझा की। USTM के चांसलर महबूबुल हक ने इस कार्यक्रम में उनकी उपस्थिति के महत्व को रेखांकित करते हुए प्रतिनिधियों और प्रतिभागियों के प्रति आभार व्यक्त किया। इससे पहले स्वागत भाषण USTM की कुलपति प्रोफेसर GD शर्मा ने दिया और धन्यवाद ज्ञापन USLR के वरिष्ठ प्रोफेसर शुभाराम राजखोवा ने दिया। इस कार्यक्रम में प्रोफेसर बहरुल इस्लाम दीन USLR USTM भी उपस्थित थी। भाग लेने वाले टीमों में सिम्बायोसिस पुणे, क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी बेंगलुरु, नॉर्थ बंगाल यूनिवर्सिटी, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हिल यूनिवर्सिटी शिलोंग और पूरी क्षेत्र से कई अन्य टीम शामिल थे।
Investigation was conducted on which non-combatant female member Thamjam Manvi Devi was arrested. Bodily injuries to a person while in police custody if there is evidence that...
I would like to humbly submit to this court that the petitioner contends. How do we test reasonable caution? So here, this case used the golden triangle.
In respect of anything done or purported to be done in the
and even the state does not have the authority to violate the right. Your Lordship, the armed forces, the fundamental rights can be violated by way of an action
by the so-called disciplined member of the armed force, that preservation of human life is of paramount importance.
The very first issue pertains to whether the present petition filed.
Your Lordship, since AFSPA is a Special Powers Act.
And who are the defendants, who are the respondents?
Your Lordship, Union of India.
You are the petitioner. Where are you putting the question of maintainability? You'll answer. What is the relief you are seeking?
We are seeking compensation, Your Lordship.
Compensation, right.
And we are also seeking to uphold AFSPA as unconstitutional, Your Lordship.
Invoking the public law remedy for declaration.
For the submission before the magistrate, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, even a prisoner after convicted does not cease to be a human being. This has been laid on Karak Singh versus State of Punjab, Your Lordship. In order to identify
The council would like to take you to the third issue of the case, Your Lordship. So, third issue of the case is whether the procedure if I could direct...
The Supreme Court in the case of Whirlpool Corporation versus Register of Trademarks held that Article 2, to initiate an inquiry in criminal proceeding.
It has been held that the constitutionality of AFSPA has been upheld by the Constitutional Bench, Your Lordship. Addressed the case of extrajudicial favor of the respondents to meet the ends of equity.
We have come to the conclusion of this event today.
Thank you. Really blessed.
Thank you so much.
In the form of simulated one, like a court.
We participated in the debating competition. Now it is in moot court. Moot court, it is a practice, it is mixed, make the efficient lawyer from the student's life. And I am very happy to see the conduct, performance, and the capacity of argument with the law point of the students.
Those issues were raised in order to give life to the proceeding, give life and life. So for that purpose, actually, those things are issued. Those things were raised as an issue. But in the true sense, we are sitting as an appellate authority, and you are arguing before an appellate authority. So you will have to face such queries before the court, be it High Court, be it Supreme Court, be it trial court. So you keep all those in mind.
Because on this, if this is cited, then this would be my tentative answer. And don't shy away from answering. Do your best, because ultimately it's your effort. And the satisfaction would come when you put in your efforts and your efforts are appreciated. It's a different matter whether you win a particular litigation or not. But whether you could do your best, whether you could prepare. I have seen lawyers, very senior lawyers, who are supposed to be giants in the civil side. Injuria sine damnum. And the other is damnum sine injuria. Gloucester Grammar School. A person has a school, another person establishes another school. He says that I am running loss.
That's why I have said best.
And today also, he put across